Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to draw an Elsa from the picture Frozen. So to start, what we have to do is first give the shape of the face, correct? We shall give the face shape. First we will give the shape, then we will make a light line for the face. Then we will start with the eyes. So the eyelashes will go out. This should be the eye. See, 1, 2, then one ball here, and then this shall be her eyelashes. Okay, this will be her eyelashes. The second eye, she has big eyes, huh? I was just going through the cartoon when I saw her big eyes. So we have to make one undo and one in an argundu. So 2 eyes are done. After that we have her eyebrows. Her eyebrows are peculiar, children. They have to be raised like that. They have to be raised. Okay. A little raising part is here. Nose is simple, like how we do the noses. And the lips is a little patalu lips. Correct? Her little lips are patlu. Then we can rub the center line which we have made for the, oh, my nose has gone beyond the center line. And now as the cheekbone ends here, we have to make a question mark, a line like that and a line like that for her ears. Now her hair are also very peculiar. So to start with, what we will do is we will make, first there is one shindy coming out like that, okay, and there is one shindy coming out like that. After that we have a big bump which goes here. I don't know whether it's going to come right or wrong, but I'm still doing it. Then her hair goes here behind the ears, it takes a turn and comes back here. Then again we have this pattern. Okay, now for this, see, first you have to make a leaf for her hair. Once one leaf is done, you just have to make this curve, join, make a curve, join, make a curve, join, make a curve. Oh, it's gone a bit, wait, I should take it, I'm not understanding. No, I'll take it a little low so that her neck can come in this position. Just give me 1 second. I'll take it a bit low. Join, 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 join. Okay, now from here, now children, her neck will be a little long. Her neck is long, and then we have her hand coming from here. So this is her off-shoulder dress and a little part of her dress here, and this is again the part of her dress. I hope it is right. I'm not very sure, but then this is the pattern which is followed. Okay, nay, I think so, it is right. So very simple to draw Elsa, nothing very difficult. There was a child who was telling, why don't you make Elsa? So I made Elsa. Now I'll quickly do my sketch pen and then we shall start with the coloring part. Now I was a bit confused, what should I do? First I practiced Elsa on this, you know. Before teaching you all, I had practiced it, then I rubbed it, and again I am doing it. See, even teachers have to do so much of मेहनत है ना, ऐसा नहीं होता है, बिना मेहनत के कुछ काम नहीं होता है. I just hope everything is right. Chum. Yeah, I liked this part, this part which is a little different lut and a tikha lut. Tikha lut matlab it is a sharpened piece of hair. Now somewhere I was searching the net, somewhere her hair are yellow and somewhere they are golden in color. I haven't seen the movie, so I really don't know. I'll be doing it buff color. The buff color is the color of the hair which is usually there, but then If it is yellow, in case it is yellow, please do it yellow. So this is the kajal, this is the nargundu, this is the andu, and then again this. You tell me to draw Mickey Mouse, Goofy, all those cartoon characters. I have seen those cartoons, so I'm familiar. This cartoon I was not very familiar. It's not even a cartoon, it is a film, Frozen, in which Elsa is there and she has a little sister or an elder sister, I'm not very sure. Okay, now this is the neck. This is her shoulder with her off-shoulder dress. This is a part of her dress and this is also a part of her dress. Her hair are simple. Actually, the entire Elsa's, this is her hair. You just have to draw a leaf, children. Then come down, join. See, now it's going vakada vakada. But I'll rub my rubbers. Just keep on joining. Acha, I'll be doing the solar system too today itself, but posting might take a bit of time. I'll quickly rub and I'll be back. Okay, before starting our coloring, children, I just discovered one thing. In her Nargundu is little bigger. Okay, let us make a small undo here. This will be the shine. Her Nargundu is little bigger. So we are coloring this Nargundu black. Okay, I just discovered this. I was just looking out for which colors are to be used for the skin. So her Nargundus are little bigger, and yes, and she wears a very dark kajal, and her kajal is not like that. Actually, she has eyelashes here and eyelashes here. Okay, and this part is also quite dark for her. That's what I just discovered when I was just searching for the coloring part, what colors are to be used. It was then I realized her eyes are a little different. Okay, now to start with the coloring. Hey, I had taken my white. Where did it disappear? Anyways, before starting, we will take a light flash tint color. Okay, I'm just wiping my colors clean and tidily, and I'm using a pink color too. Now what we are going to do is, and we are taking a little bit of brown as well, and red, of course. There are so many colors to be used in the face, on the face, sorry. So what am I doing is, I'm just putting a little tinge of red here. This red is, as it is going to disappear, don't you worry. Acha, her upper lip is red and the lower lip has a little light shade with it. Okay, now we are going to use pink for the highlighted part. So this will be the highlighted part, children. See this, can you see I'm doing it very lightly here, and this part is going to be highlighted. Okay, now her cheeks and all will happen later on. Now this part is also a little bit of pink, and this part is also a little pink. Okay, now we are using the light skin tone, children. Light skin tone, wherever there is no color, we will just quickly do the light skin tone. Okay, so when we make the nose, yeah, even the nose part, this part is a little pinky, and we are just doing it. See, I'm not daba daba ke ghaseet ke doing the colors. I'm just doing the colors very very lightly, because we are going to use a tinge of white as well. So because of that, I'm not using my colors very harshly. Okay, so I have used them very 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 lightly. This part again, this is the skin, and okay, we'll be using a little bit of brown here because this is the shadow part, and we shall be doing skin again on it. Now what we do is, we clean our white colors and just do gully gully on the entire part, wherever there is skin, where there is pink, on each and everything. Okay, we are doing it very darkly, even on the red parts. Now this is daba daba ke, ghaseet ke, children. This is not done lightly. This is done by pressing the white and doing it. So you all will understand when the entire thing is done. Okay, this is just the start. Hey children, there is a request. I haven't made any drawing of my choice since I think so a month, and still there is one solar system and Lakshmi Narayan drawing to be done. I don't know when am I going to start for myself, but it is okay. I'm teaching children and I wish. Okay, I'm not going to use this cloth. I'm just going to use my hand for this mixing part and the highlighting part. Somewhere wherever you feel there should be more pink, you can put in more pink. So just mixing the colors well, so that we get the shape and the shades. Now to highlight few points, this is the point which needs to be highlighted. Okay, the center of the nose, the chin part is to be highlighted. Okay, the nose part, yes. Baki don't bother, we are going to redo our blacks, so everything will fall in place. Don't bother at all. Now you can take a little bit of orange and make the lower part of the lip. We are using red and orange for the lips. So I think so the skin part is done. And now for the hair part. Now for the hair part we are taking the yellow gray color, children. This is the yellow gray color. So we are just taking the yellow gray color and highlighting few points. See, the wherever I have done with black. Now this part can be dark. I'm just highlighting them. See, we are going to use a little bit of black too, but that will be later. Okay, now I use my white and I just give the shades. I'm just using it abruptly because I'm going to use my hand later on, and a little bit of black strands as well. So this is the yellow gray color. Children, if you do not have the yellow gray color, you all can use the yellow ochre color. But yellow ochre color will give you a little yellow tinge instead of the brown tinge. That's it. That will be the only difference. So ये अभी white is दबा दबा के घसीट घसीट के हाँ children, my white is got अंदर से टुटला ही. Never mind. So what am I doing? Wait. So, and how does the story of the Frozen goes? I have no clue, no idea, but it's really loved in by many. So see, what am I doing is wherever the shindy is starting, there I am just smudging it the color and leaving the lip behind parts as it is. Now where's my black? See, my chinu munusa black. So now what we are going to do is just highlighting few parts here where the hair starts. You just have to highlight there. Okay, can you see? Not much, a little bit. Okay, and then we can make the blue dress of hers This is the blue color. We can use shades and do it. So this is the end where I end my drawing. So I'm not going to go forward, and I'm not doing the background today, children, because the background is as it is white. Wherever I have seen in Google's, it's white. So what we need to do is just oh, I forgot one thing. I forgot the eye. So the eye is blue again with a little tinge of white. The eye is blue with a little tinge of white. Now see, I have taken my black color again, and I am going to redo all these things. See, when you redo, everything will fall in place. Only when you're using your black, you need to be very careful that you don't enter galat jagah. So our Elsa applies a lot of highlighter on her eyes. That's what I discovered. Her eyes are very much blackened. Oh, ऐसा लग रहा है उसकी दाढ़ी आ गई. But this is the border, children. So we go. We made Elsa today. Elsa. पहले मेरे को लगा ये एल्स कौन है, ये एल्स कौन है, ये एल्स. Then I have to Google. I don't know much about all these cartoon characters, but then I have to Google, I have to follow, I have to learn it myself before I teach you. A superpower girl who used to convert everything into snow or ice, whatever. Frozen is the name of the movie. ऐसा नहीं, I do my homework well before I teach. So our Elsa is done. Cute little Elsa. The only two things which you need to concentrate when you do this is her hair and her eyes. That's it. If you do these two things rightly, your Elsa will fall in place. So bye till then. I have done Elsa, and bye 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 bye.